Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, in this video I'm gonna show you a beginner friendly tutorial on how to trade features on Binance. So as you can see on my screen guys, I'm on Binance app already. So if you are on my channel or you've come across my video for the first time, my name is Cynthia, and on this channel I teach people how to make money online. Okay, so if you're new, make sure you subscribe to my channel, you like the video, and also you turn on that bell so anytime I upload any video you'll be notified and watch as early as possible. And for all my returning subscriber, thank you so much guys, and make sure you always like my videos and also share with your friends who are also looking for this kind of opportunities. Okay guys, so into the video itself, the first thing you do is you must know how to deposit or add funds on your Binance app. Okay, and the good thing with Binance, you can do P2P. So guys, as I was saying, the first thing you need to do is to add funds in your Binance account, and you need to know that because it is through P2P. P2P is whereby we have sellers and we have buyers. So if you want to buy, you can buy from P2P. If you click on P2P, you'll be able to, okay, if you tap on more, you'll be able to see um P2P right here. This is the P2P. Let me show you. This is where you can always buy your USDT or even Bitcoin or Solana or other coins. Okay, so the next thing is you tap on the P2P option, then you'll be able to see different people selling and buying. So as you can see here, we have buy side and selling side. Right here we have buy side here, and we also have sell side here, and we have different people with different prices. So with the you also have to check on your country mobile money available. So you can see this is for Kenyans. We have different people selling with different prices and the limit order. So I'm not going to talk much about that because I've explained that in like a video I uploaded years back. If you don't know how to do that, you can just tell me so that I can upload a video on how to do P2P selling or buying, or how to deposit money on your Binance through P2P. Okay, I'll be able to do that. So so on this video we are only going to measure on features. Okay, Binance features, that is here. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, we are going to measure on Binance features, which is here. So I'm going to show you how to trade on Binance features as a beginner. You know, when you are new, you just have basic knowledge. Of course, when it comes to trading, you have to have basic knowledge for you to trade. You can't just come from nowhere, you know nothing and you want to trade. Yeah, so you have to learn 1 2 3. You have to have even basic knowledge or 1 2 3 knowledge for you to know what you're gonna do in the market. Okay, so the next thing is, I'll beat you, my friend. So I'm sorry about that. So the next thing is you're gonna go to your features right here. You're gonna go to features. Then if you go to your features, of course guys, you can see my balance here, and I'm going to use $7 of this. And guys, I've already entered position, so I'm just going to show something. I know why I took that, and I'm gonna wait for some time for it to reach my target. Then I will close my position. Okay, the opened position. So I just opened it. I'm going to show you everything that you need to know. Okay, so the next thing is, if you tap on the features, sorry, if you tap on the features, you'll be able to see different things guys. Right here you'll be able to see. Okay guys, you can see I've used I'm going to explain everything. This boy is so stubborn, my friend. I'll beat you. So the next thing that you're gonna see is Baba, don't be stubborn. The next thing is you can see your balance. In case you want to add more, if you have big balance, you can add more through this section here where we have exchange from to. So you're gonna choose the wallet that you're gonna want from this to this, and you will be able to see the amount here. And also you can click on maximum or just type what you want to deposit. You exchange here. So the next thing is you're gonna tap on this transfer button down here. So that is when you want to transfer money from your either spot wallet. If you click on this place, you'll be able to see the wallet that the money is. So you want to transfer it to your futures or USD M futures. Okay, so after that you click on confirm. Okay, I think that is understandable enough. So the next thing you're gonna do is okay, the next thing you're gonna do is you'll be able to see your balance right here. Okay guys, you can see my balance right there. So in features is different with spot trading. There are many features in it that are making it so much difference, like they have big difference. Okay, so with the features or on features trading, you can either trade when the market is going down or up. But on spot, you can only trade when the market is bullish or going up. Okay, that is the first difference. Okay, I'm not going to go into detail, like I'm not going to go into that because that is not the purpose of this video. So the purpose is only how to trade on features. Okay, so the next thing is after seeing your balance, you're going to decide on what amount you want to use while trading. And before that, there is some important things right here. We have leverage and the types. You have cross and you also have isolate. So you can, let's see what I'm talking about. So if you click on this, you'll be able to see different margin mode. Yeah, that is the correct term. Margin mode, we have a cross. Then we also have isol isolated isolated, right? I think I'm right. Isolated, yeah. So we're gonna go through to see what's the difference. So cross mode, all cross positions under the same margin asset share the same assets cross margin balance. In the event or liquidation, your assets fully margin balance along with any remaining open positions under the asset may be 45. So I'm going to explain that. I know many people have not understood what is that or what it meant or what that means. Okay, so again we have isolated. The margin assigned to a position is restricted to a certain amount. In the margin falls, if the margin falls below the maintenance margin level, the position is liquidated. However, you can add and remove margin at will under this mode. Okay, so let me explain for you guys what is cross in a simple term, because this video is for beginners. Okay, so as a beginner, that might take you years to understand, like to know what all those things means. Okay, so let me put it into a simpler way. Okay, so cross simply means when you're trading under cross mode, we have different leverage. You can see selecting higher leverage such as 10% increases your liquidation risk. Always manage your risk levels. See our help article for more information. You can also read that at your own time. Okay, but what this means is cross, when you're trading under cross mode, is that if you have balance here, and your position is open, when the trade or the position or the market is against you, you understand, when you are trading cross or cross mode, when the market is against you, maybe you said the market was going to go down, then the market decides to go up, then the deduction will be done on the balance, that is gross. Like if the market was supposed to, okay, you said that market was going to go down, then market decided to go up, they will deduct the negative balance from your balance, okay, that is gross. Until your balance is over is when they will come to your position to start deducting the margin here. Okay, I don't know whether I'm understood. If you don't understand, guys, let me know. I will do another video about that, or you can also watch other people's video on like the difference between cross and isolate. So that is that. Let us go to isolate. What is isolate trading? Simple term. What is isolate trading? When you put isolate trading, if you have like this example 3.5 USDT, that is what will remain there. They will not deduct anything. Even if the market is going against you, they won't deduct anything from your balance. They will only focus on this amount you put your position with, the amount on the margin. Okay, when it is isolate mode, they will not deduct your balance when the market is against you or the market has gone the other side that you are not expecting. They will not deduct your balance. They will deduct the negative balance from your margin, from the position you've opened. So when it is over and it has reached to your liquidation price, then it will just close the market automatically, like close the position automatically. I don't know whether I'm understood. I don't know, but I hope I'm somewhere someone can understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, the difference is simple. You can just say cross. They will, when the market is against you, they deduct the balance, the negative balance from your balance, feature balance, until it's over is when they will start deducting it from the margin. But isolate is they don't deduct your balance, they only deduct the negative balance from the margin on the position opened. Okay, then when that is over, they close the position you've opened automatically. Okay, so the next thing is, how are you going to take position? Like, how are you going to enter the market? Once you've done your analyzation, this is where you'll see your candles. If you tap on the candles place, let me show you where the candles are. So if you tap on this place right here, what is it, Baba? If you tap on that candles, yeah, you'll be able to see the candles and see how the market is. So this is XRP USDT. That is what I want to trade, right? And I've already opened position. So right now I've opened my position and I'm targeting the market to reach here. I'm targeting the market to reach somewhere here. Let me show you. I'm targeting the market to reach somewhere here. As for me, that is according to my analysis. You know, people analyze market differently. So according to me, I've done my... Baba, you are making noise. Why are you making noise like this? You're so noisy. Shh. So, don't mind my nephew. So stubborn. So I'm gonna target my the market to reach somewhere there. Then I will go out of the market. Okay. So that is that according to me. You know, people analyze market differently, but according to my strategy that I use, that is what it is. Okay, so I'm gonna wait patiently for the market to reach my target or my zone. Then I'm gonna set my profit with you guys. Take profit. That is, I don't set stop loss, but I normally put take profit. So once the market hit my target, then it takes me out of the market automatically. Okay, when even if I'm not there or I'm busy doing something else. Okay, so that is the good part of it. If you set take profit, when the market once reach your target zone, it will just close the position for you, even if you are not on the app, or you are not online, or doing something else. Okay, so after that, let us go back to the entry zone first. So you're gonna set your leverage. What's the leverage? Remember, the higher the leverage, the higher the risk. So first you have to choose if you want to use cross or you want to use isolate. I will use all of them, but as for me, in this position that I've opened, I used cross. So I'm going to explain this tutorial with using cross mode. So the next thing is I'm gonna choose leverage. So you can see already I'm using 20x. That is the 20 times of what I have. Okay, so we have different leverages. You can put it as high as even 100%, but remember, the higher the leverage, the higher the risk, and you can lose your account anytime. And remember, the higher the risk, the higher the profit, and the higher the risk. You can lose it or make more profit. So long as you know what you're doing, you can put as much as you want. You can even have up to 60, up to 40, up to 20. But as for me, I prefer up to 20 there. Then I click on confirm. Okay, that is the same thing you're gonna do as a beginner, because you know nothing about this. You're just starting. You've just gotten some basic knowledge and you want to test the market. You want to test waters and see how things work here. Okay, so the next thing is you're gonna go to this area here. You can see we have limits. So this is market. Now you want to enter the market. You've already set this, you've already prepared or chosen what you want to use, the leverage and the mode. Okay, so the next thing is you're gonna go to the limit. When you go to the limit, we have different options. You can put limit, you can put post only, you can go to the market, and everything is explained. Okay, you can put market. So when you want to buy the immediate price that time, you go with market price. Like if you want to go with the market price, just tap on it, then it will come here, market price. So when after putting everything, you're gonna just click on sell or buy. Okay guys, so that is that. So as for me, I'm using limit. I like using limit, is where I put the price where I want. But as for me, if I want to buy at the moment, like if I want to sell, as for me, I'm seeing short position because of my analyzation, the analyze that I analyzed with my strategy. Okay, so I'm seeing short position. So I'm gonna click on the limit. I'm gonna use the limit. You can use the one you want. You can use limit. You can use market. You can buy through market. So I'm gonna tap on this place. Then it will come there. Then I'm gonna drag this according to the market, the percentage that I want to be deducted on my balance. Did you get that, guys? You want to drag this even if you want to trade with everything in your balance here. Guys, you drag it until where you want. So if you drag everything fully, it will be all balanced, like 100%. Okay, of USDT you have in your balance right here, features balance. That is features what balance. Okay, so if you drag up to here, it means you only want to use 75% of what you have in your account. Okay, so the next thing after setting that, guys, you've already set that. So you're gonna put take profit, or you can set take profit even after putting the position. But my advice, guys, always make sure you set your take profit. So sometimes market can go up once or go down once. That you won't be able to get out of the market, and you'll be in a loss and you can blow your account. People who trade forex know what I mean. Okay, so the next thing is you gonna come here, then if you want to take long position or you want to take sell position, you just click on it. Then it will be, if you put it at market, they will buy it immediately. If you put limit, you will wait until your market the market goes onto your limit, then take you in the market automatically. Okay, so the next thing is you will be able to see your running trade under position here, under position, and you'll also be able to see your open orders if the limits are not reached. Like if you just open market, then the limit has not been reached, like the position you put your market to take you from has not been heated, you'll have to wait it and it will be under open position. But if it has already been hit and you are in the market already, or you open position, you'll be able to see it under positions. Okay, I hope understood. Then the next thing is you'll be able to see everything going on in your on the market at this. If you are in a loss or you are on profit, you can see unreleased USDT, or that is the profit. Then you will be also able to see the amount you put and the amount you are given by the size of USDT you are given by the Binance itself, and the percentage profit or loss percentage, then your liquidation. Let me show you something, guys. Your liquidation right here. So you can see the market is on my side. You can see liquidation, that is the LIQ price. This means in full liquidation price. So it means that when market can decide to reach my zone, if market goes against me, since I'm using cross, if market goes against me and the price goes up to 3.6364 USDT, then the market will be closed automatically. That is, I've been liquidated and I will be in a loss. So they will, before that, they will be deducting they will be deducting what I have from my balance right here. Because I'm using cross mode, they will be deducting my balance. When my balance remains 0, that is when the market goes against me, then they will come here, then also deduct the balance up to here. When market continues going against me, then they will, and it reaches here, they will just close the market automatically and take their, I'll be in a loss. Okay, so if that doesn't happen, it goes successfully to my direction, then the market will be closed automatically when I've set my TP or take profit. So I haven't set, and as I said, I had mine already in my mind. So according to my analyzation, so I had mine. So right here, I'm gonna wait for the market to reach 20. Let's see, I'm not going to wait so long. I'm just gonna wait for the market to reach somewhere here. Yeah, somewhere here at 3:29:33. No, let me put it somewhere here. No, that's so that. Yeah, 29:10, 3:29:10. That is where I'm gonna set my take profit. So I'm gonna come here, guys, where we have position. I'm gonna get something small, but this was just for tutorial. So I'm gonna click on this place written TP stroke SL, that is take profit stroke stop loss. Stop loss is whereby when you are in like loss, or the market is going against you, when it reaches that point you set your stop loss, it will just stop and take you out of the market without risking too much or losing too much of your balance. Okay, so the next thing is, if I tap on this, I'm gonna tap on this area right here. I'm gonna tap on this area right here, then TP position TP stroke SL. I'm gonna put the price that I said that I was so I want the market to take me out when it reached there, and you can see Guys, I'm just doing this. It doesn't mean that you do this same thing I'm doing, but I'm doing this because I want the market to take me out. And this video was just for tutorial, and you can see the market is respecting my analysis. So I'm gonna tap on this area here, confirm, to put or to activate. You can see the profit that I'm gonna make. I know it's small, but this video was just for tutorial, and you can see the respect the market has given me according to what I analyzed. Then that is that. So you'll be waiting when the market reaches your position, but always keep on checking on your trades. Guys, I'm sorry, the baby's crying. I have to end the video. If keep checking on your trade to see if the market is still respecting what you said, or you close the market. Okay, so thank you so much, guys, for watching. See you in my next video. Okay, thank you so much, guys.